So the first movement here is kind of like pulling down the sky if you've seen some of my other videos, but we're going to add a sound to it, okay? So what we do here is we just kind of sit up here, get in a nice relaxed position, okay? Have our hands to the side, and we're going to raise our hands up, and as we raise our hands up, we're going to breathe in, okay? So we breathe in, tilt our palms skyward, and then we're going to exhale. Okay, so this is the basic kind of pulling down the sky movement. And then we're going to add the sound, like you say, she. It goes, she. You can do it under your breath as well, where it's like more of a she. Or more vocal. She. This is good for kind of cooling down your body if you're feeling a little too hot, a little agitated. Just go, she. Just kind of like you're pulling up like white light as you're coming up, and just kind of letting it flow through your body and cool your body. She. Okay. Do this about 6 times. She. Or as many as 18 times, okay? But don't worry if you can't keep track of the number. Just do whatever feels comfortable, okay? Okay, so we're letting our hands go out to the side. We inhale, flip them up, and then we exhale as we come downward. Breathing in. Okay, we're going to do it without sound here. And it's just a good movement as well without the sound. And it's more like the closing movement we call pulling down the sky, pulling down heaven. Good movement in general.